Hello guys, today we are going to see how to fix the critical error in WordPress site. It causes for many reasons, but most of the time it causes for the theme as well. So let's see how to solve it when it comes to the theme issues. Just it is the error, show your home page. Then now we have to go to C panel to file manager. Okay, we are going to we have file manager and go to public HTML. That will be content, and we need to find theme. Yes, we just need to make it compressed, and after that it should be deleted in the folder because before that we have to download it. Okay, just reload. Okay, sorry, and go to public HTML again, the content, the theme. Okay, download. Okay, now we can it's downloaded. Now we can delete it both file and folder from here. Okay, confirm. Now we will go to the home page and see what the error is showing. Okay, then go to the WordPress admin, and the home page is showing the theme directory is empty. So go to the theme. Okay, I think it should be installed again, the theme. So just go to the theme section, and you can see the first here. If it's not there, just search the theme and active. But don't worry, it will not delete any post, any pages from your WordPress website. Now go to the home page, and here we go. We can see that all the section category is loaded, and post is there. So it's very nice. It's fixed already. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.